Welcome customers. I want to show you how to assemble a Momeasy breast pump. Momeasy has one of the best brands for baby products. So I start by unsealing the seal at the back. I'll get my package when it's like this. And it has all this. So it comes with this. And also a manual that you can refer to later. So how do I connect it? There's this thing over here. This thing is just meant to protect the cleanness and your breast pump. You open, then the bottle comes with the lid. This you open. So remember, you can use this breast pump to express the milk. At the same time, you can also use this bottle to feed the baby. So I'll just take my bottle. The valve, there's a valve down here. I ensure that the valve is well fitted, like that. Then I take my bottle and I close it like that. Then there's this handle over here. You see, there's this part here in the breast pump. Let me open for you to see it better way. This is where I'm going to hook this thing, like this. You see? Then you can close the breast pump like that, or you can start with the vice versa. When it's closed like that, this lid makes sure that this handle is well fitted, like that. You see, and make sure there's that voice, that sound off, to show that it is well fitted. Then my breast pump is ready to use, like that. There's this rubber, the silicone shield. This one just helps to make sure that it is soft, and also for hygiene reasons. This is what you latch to your breast. Fit it nicely. There is the breast pump. And now this is what you're going to, by doing this, you're creating suction and milk will start trickling down. When latching to your breast, make sure that this part is well fitted to avoid air, like that. So there are these other parts that come with the breast pump, and when you are traveling or you want to store baby's milk, you use this lid. When it's like this, you just close. That's simple, and you store in your freezer or the fridge. Then if you want to use the bottle to feed the baby, you remove this part and you replace with a nipple, like that. Then close and you can feed the bottle. For Momeasy, all nipples are anti-colic, so they are very friendly for the baby. It comes with a spare valve. This one you use to close that part for hygiene reasons, maybe when traveling or when storing baby's milk, when traveling or you're storing baby's milk. Then there's the lid. Now, then your feeding bottle is now complete. Yeah. And when you're not using this part, you can just close. That way it's free from dust and other contaminations. So it is that easy. And then you find for Momeasy brand, it comes with a small pump, which I've just shown you, and then there's the bigger version of it. They are equally same. The only difference is the size. You find that this bottle Let me show you the mls. It's 120 ml, as you can see. So this other one will be slightly bigger and wider. And then for the nipple, this one is a training tip. For this other one is a anti-colic tip. So it's that easy. Feel free, come buy from us. We also deliver.